Have you ever wondered what makes your air conditioner blow cold air? Or how your refrigerator keeps your food fresh? The answer lies in an invisible hero working behind the scenes: Freon gases. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of refrigerants that power our cooling systems. I'm talking about R22, R410A, and R134A, the backbone of the $24 billion refrigerant industry. But here's the thing, understanding these gases isn't just interesting science, it's a goldmine business opportunity that most entrepreneurs completely overlook. By the end of this video, you'll discover how this hidden market could be your next profitable venture. The basics: what are Freon gases? Let's start with the basics. Freon is actually a brand name for refrigerants manufactured by the Chemours company. These chemicals have a unique superpower: they can easily change from liquid to gas and back again, absorbing and releasing heat in the process. Think about it: when you feel cool air from your AC, you're experiencing the magic of refrigerants pulling heat from inside your home and releasing it outside. This simple yet powerful concept revolutionized modern life. The three main players we'll focus on today are R22, the old reliable that's being phased out; R410A, the current standard for air conditioning; R134A, commonly used in refrigeration and automotive AC. Each has its own story, strengths, and market potential. And that's where your opportunity begins. R22, the legacy refrigerant. R22, often called Freon 22, was the gold standard of cooling for decades. Its efficiency and reliability made it the go-to choice for residential and commercial systems worldwide. But here's where it gets interesting. R22 contains chlorine, which damages our ozone layer. This environmental concern led to its phase-out under the Montreal Protocol, with production and imports banned in the US since 2020. But millions of systems still run on R22. This creates a massive market opportunity. While new R22 isn't being manufactured, existing supplies can sell for $400 to $600 per 30-pound cylinder. That's a 300% markup from pre-ban prices. Some business owners are making $15,000 to $20,000 monthly just by properly handling and recycling this refrigerant. Remember, working with refrigerants requires proper certification. The EPS Section 608 regulations ensure these chemicals are handled safely and legally. R410A, the current king. Enter R410A, today's reigning champion. When systems needed a replacement for R22, R410A stepped up to the plate. This ozone-friendly alternative delivers some impressive advantages: 35% higher heat transfer in the evaporator, 5% higher transfer in the condenser, operates at higher pressures for greater efficiency, zero ozone depletion potential. The market for R410A is booming, with global refrigerant demand expected to reach $47.98 billion by 2032, growing at 7.9% annually. This single refrigerant represents a massive slice of the pie. Average profit margins for R410A distribution range from 25 to 40%, making it a highly profitable business line. But here's something many don't realize: while better than R22 environmentally, R410A still has a high global warming potential. This means another transition is coming, creating even more opportunities for savvy entrepreneurs who stay ahead of regulatory changes. R134A, the versatile performer. R134A is the versatility champion. You'll find it keeping your car cool during summer road trips and preserving food in your refrigerator. This refrigerant works at lower pressures than R410A, making it ideal for certain applications. It's non-flammable, non-toxic, and has been a reliable R12 replacement in automotive systems. Automotive servicing alone creates a $200 to $300 million market for R134 annually, with individual service centers using 500 to 1,000 pounds yearly. A small refrigerant supply business targeting automotive shops can generate $250,000 to $500,000 in annual revenue with proper distribution networks. What's fascinating is how different market sectors demand specific refrigerant properties. Understanding these specialized needs can help you identify underserved niches where your business could thrive. The business opportunity. Now, let's stock business. The refrigerant market isn't just robust, it's growing rapidly at a compound annual growth rate of 7.9%. Consider these opportunities: distribution, becoming a wholesale supplier to HVAC contractors, startup costs $50,000 to $150,000, potential annual revenue $500,000 to $2 million, recovery and recycling, collecting used refrigerant for processing, startup costs $25,000 to $75,000, ROI often within 18 to 24 months. Equipment sales are providing specialized tools for refrigerant handling, 40 to 60% margins on equipment. Consultation, helping businesses navigate regulatory compliance, $100 to $200 per hour for specialized consulting. Training, teaching proper handling and certification requirements, training programs generating $3,000 to $5,000 per session. The beauty of this industry: multiple revenue streams. Once you understand the refrigerant landscape, you can position yourself as an expert in this essential market. But I know what you're thinking. How do I even start a business like this? That's where our expertise comes in. At Neer Project Consultancy Services in Delhi, we've helped countless entrepreneurs transform technical knowledge into profitable businesses. Our team of experts specializes in emerging industries like refrigerants, providing comprehensive support, detailed market research and feasibility studies, complete business plans with financial projections, technical knowledge resources and training guidance, regulatory compliance assistance, supplier and distribution network connections. Whether you're just starting your entrepreneurial journey or looking to expand into this lucrative field, Neer provides the roadmap to success in the refrigerant business. Conclusion: the refrigerant industry represents a perfect storm of opportunity, essential products, growing demand, and evolving regulations creating new market niches. Understand our 22, our 410A, and our 134 isn't just about technical specifications, it's about seeing the business potential hiding in plain sight. While others focus on trendy startups, smart entrepreneurs are building sustainable, profitable businesses in this essential industry with profit margins averaging 30 to 45%, significantly higher than most retail businesses. Ready to explore how refrigerants could be your path to business success? Contact Neer Project Consultancy Services today. Visit our website at www.neer.org or call us at +911123845886. Our team is ready to help you develop a customized strategy for entering this exciting market. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. The cooling revolution is waiting for visionary entrepreneurs like you. Hit the like button if you found this valuable, subscribe for more business insights, and drop a comment telling us which refrigerant business model interests you most. Until next time, keep your business cool and your ambitions hot.